In a world where technology drives mission success, one group leads with innovation, expertise, unmatched capability. This is the Three Lions Defense Technology Company, Saudi Arabia's powerhouse of defense, technology, logistics, and immersive training. The company brings together three specialized leaders: Three Lions Defense Technology, Optokon, and Three Lions XR, working in unison to deliver mission-critical solutions for today's most demanding sector. Three Lions Defense Technology is a leading Saudi company specializing in aviation, military, and critical infrastructure. Our teams bring deep civilian and military expertise to design, develop, and support systems that meet the highest standards. We are the first licensed Saudi company to supply aircraft spare parts, ground support equipment, and simulators. Our services include radar, electromechanical MRO, generator and UPS support, simulator operations and training, and advanced electronics repair, at the worksite and in-house. Optokon delivers NATO-approved mil-spec fiber optic and tactical communication solutions, combining rugged military-grade hardware with high-performance field networks. Our integrated facilities include engineering workshops, training rooms, and secure logistics areas. These support lifecycle extension, technical independence, and obsolescence management across all platforms, regardless of origin. With operations in Riyadh, Jeddah, and Imam, our logistics division delivers transportation, freight forwarding, customs clearance, and warehousing, streamlining supply chains and raising service standards. At Three Lions XR, we're transforming training with cutting-edge virtual reality and augmented reality simulations. Our technology replicates real-world environments, whether dangerous, costly, or complex, enabling users to train safely and effectively. One of our key innovations is the simulation of real engines and mechanical systems. We digitally replicate aircraft, military vehicles, and machinery, allowing operators to master intricate systems and practice diagnostics and repairs in a risk-free environment. At Three Lions, we're launching Project Mersad, a nationwide network of high-tech workshops maintaining mission-critical radar, communications, HVAC, and electrical systems. With 13 specialized hubs across Saudi Arabia, Mersad ensures operational readiness, supports Vision 2030, and builds sovereign technical capability. From physical systems to immersive training, Three Lions Defense Technology Company delivers expertise, capability, and innovation needed to empower every mission.